Class 6 Pronouns, Grammar and Mean. Personal pronouns can replace the nouns that name people in the subject and group position. Personal pronouns होते हैं जो किसी पर्सन के लिए यूज़ होते हैं, जैसे कि फर्स्ट पर्सन, सेकंड पर्सन, थर्ड पर्सन. फर्स्ट पर्सन में आई होता है, सेकंड पर्सन में जिससे बात कर रहे होते हैं यू होता है, थर्ड पर्सन होता है ही, शी, इट और दे, जिसके बारे में बात कर रहे होते हैं. चलिए एक्सरसाइज स्टार्ट करते हैं. ए, रीड द फॉलोइंग डायलॉग्स, अंडरलाइन द सब्जेक्ट प्रोनाउंस एंड सर्कल द ऑब्जेक्ट प्रोनाउंस. Principal, you is the subject pronoun here. Binoy, thank you ma'am, I am grateful to you for your encouragement. I would also like to thank you all my teachers who have guided me. Principal, I would like to congratulate your parents too. इसमें कुछ भी नहीं है. Then Binoy, they will be happy to know about this award. I would like to thank my friends too for this award. I would like to acknowledge my friend Nitin. Last term when I was down with jaundice, he helped me complete my science and English project. Principal, well done Nitin. We must follow Nitin's example. Fill in the blanks with correct pronouns. Option में given है. My sister taught me to sew. sew होता है सिलाई करना. If you see Shanta and Usha, could you tell that I will be late for the birthday party? Could you tell them? Salim and I are going out. Some friends are meeting us at the theater. Preeti and I are cousins. We live in the same house. Grandmother is not feeling well. The doctor has asked her to rest. The exhibition is on till next week. It has some very excellent handicrafts on display. Take this book and give it to the librarian. The umpire told Harbhajan and Simon that they should behave themselves. I have been invited to picnic with my friends. I must go for it. Mummy has left the house keys with Seema. She will keep them till Mummy comes back. She. पोजेसिव प्रोनाउन होते हैं जो पोजेशन बताते हैं, जैसे कि दिस बुक बिलोंग्स टू मी, इट इज़ माइन. तो माइन क्या हुआ? पोजेशन की वो चीज़ किसकी है. तो इसकी एग्जांपल्स पढ़ लो आप. माइन, अवर, योर, हिज, हर्स, देयर्स, और ज़्यादातर ये सेंटेंस के लास्ट में आते हैं. कंप्लीट द सेंटेंस विद माइन, योर्स एंड हर्स. अपनी चीज़ों के लिए माइन, किसी और की चीज़ों के लिए योर, गर्ल्स की चीज़ों के लिए हर्स. सीमा, आर यू यूजिंग माई पेन और इज़ दैट योर्स? Well, this is mine. Where is mine then? Meera was writing her report just now. Maybe she was using it. No, that one is hers. It has a blue cap. Mine has a red one. Why don't you ask Ali? He's using a pen with a red cap. I did, but he says that this is his. Where is mine? I wonder. पैनिक हो गया. रिफ्लेक्सिव प्रोनाउंस होते हैं जिसमें सेल्फ या सेल्फ आता है. आई वॉश माई यूनिफॉर्म माई सेल्फ. यू शुड डू योर वर्क योर सेल्फ. ही हैज़ कम्प्लीटेड हिज वर्क हिम सेल्फ. द डॉग हैज़ हर्ट इट सेल्फ. आर सेल्फ, योर सेल्फ, दैम सेल्फ, डिपेंडिंग ऑन द सब्जेक्ट. ठीक है. चलो मैच द वर्ड्स विद द आंसर्स. वट आर द प्लेयर्स डूइंग? They are shaking hands with the queen and introducing themselves to her. Where did you learn to sing? Actually, I taught myself. What did you buy at the crafts fair? I bought myself a bag. May I borrow a newspaper? Certainly. Help yourself. For whom did you bake this cake? I baked it for myself. Did you like the play yesterday? Oh yes, we enjoyed it ourselves thoroughly. ये है 6th part. नेक्स्ट एक एक्टिविटी है, देख लेना. इंटरोगेटिव प्रोनाउंस वो होते हैं जो क्वेश्चन पूछते हैं, इंटरोगेशन करते हैं. चलो ये वाला क्वेश्चन करते हैं. सेकंड से शुरू करेंगे. स्नेहा, where were you born? I was born in Ranchi, the capital of Jharkhand. Sneha, what is your name? My teammates call me Mahi. Sneha, when did you play your first match? My debut was on 23rd December 2004 versus Bangladesh. What are your hobbies? I like riding bikes and listening to music. महेंद्र सिंह धोनी का इंटरव्यू चल रहा है. What is your mantra in life? My mantra in life is think positive, have confidence in yourself. Sneha, which was your proudest moment? My proudest moment was when we won the World Cup in 2011. Then demonstrative pronouns होते हैं जो डेमोन्स्ट्रेशन करते हैं दिस दैट दीज दोज, ये ज़्यादातर डेमोन्स्ट्रेटिव प्रोनाउंस है स्टार्टिंग में आते हैं. पहला वाला मेरा थोड़ा एडिटिंग में कट गया है तो दिस है इसका. सेकंड, दैट इज़ ज्योति रंधवा. ज्योति इज़ द डेमोन्स्ट्रेटिव प्रोनाउन, इसको रिप्रेजेंट करना है. आई थिंक एप्पल्स फ्रॉम शिमला टेस्ट बेटर देन दोज फ्रॉम कश्मीर. एप्पल्स को डिफाइन करना है. आई वुड लाइक टू इंट्रोड्यूस you to my friend Aksha. This is Aksha's sister. This. My father forgot to put on salt in the omelette. This made the omelette को describe कर रहा है. Those are the ruins of the ancient Nalanda University. Those. That is the school. मैंने बोला ज़्यादातर स्टार्टिंग में मिलेंगे. That is the school I attended. Lina's little sister. This Jasmeet has excelled in both academics and extracurricular activities. This has a set good example. I want to buy some cushions for the. Do you like these? Indefinite pronouns होते हैं जो definite होते ही नहीं, पता ही नहीं कौन होता है. someone, somebody, anyone, anybody, something, everyone, each, every, none, neither, ये होते हैं indefinite pronouns. रीड कर लेना. Fill in the blanks with correct pronouns. G part. I'm hungry. I would like something to eat. We are bored. We haven't got anything to do. The children are making something to eat. You look sad. Is everything all right? You look worried. Is something wrong? No one is answering the bell. I don't think there is anybody at home. Has everyone completed their project? This house is empty. No one had lived there for last 5 years. Some of the apples in the carton turned out to be rotten. The teacher counted the votes. Many of the students had said yes, but some had voted no. Okay? Let's fill in the blanks with indefinite pronoun. Can I speak to someone in the accounts department? Receptionist. There isn't anyone in the department now. Woman, it's urgent. I need to speak to someone about my check today. Reception, I'm sorry, but there is no one here. Can you give me someone's residence phone number, please? I'm sorry, I cannot give you personal phone number. Could you please come call back in the morning at 9 a.m. Someone will be here by then. रिलेटिव प्रोनाउंस होते हैं, रिलेशन दिखाते हैं, बीच में आते हैं सेंटेंस के हु और विच होते हैं. This is the man who broke my vase. Who? This is the pen which I was searching. Which? बीच में आएंगी. A pessimist is a person who always expects the worst. A thermometer is an instrument that measures. A waiter is someone who serves. Have you tried the shirt? अब नॉन लिविंग थिंग के लिए विच आया है. Mr. Kumar, whose shop? This is the dictionary that I like to refer. He is the doctor whose clinic is right. The vase in which the roses are arranged. I have found the pen that I thought I had lost. I won the dress that is displayed in the window. Do you remember the girl who won the chess? The girl who has just come is smart, isn't she? The man who has just looked serious, didn't he? Swati did not know who had knocked the door. This is the lady who anchors. How did you spend the money that your mother gave you? The brave girl who got the President Award is my niece. The pilot who had served 125 passengers is from Guwahati. Underline the determiners. That mango, new book, any, sorry, his pen, many children, you, whose cricket bat is lying here, that, yesterday I went to see a movie with a new friend, new, my house, the equator, two hemisphere, every student, an exhibition of his painting, some cookies are baking in the sun on that river, the summer vacation, see a Brahmin swimming in the lake, to improve your vocabulary. More for practice hai. Children, do you remember what you both have promised? Yes, we promised to clean the cupboard. Do you want me to help you? No, we want to learn to do it ourselves. Mother, I am so delighted to hear this. Sarah, do you mean that I will have to clean my cupboard all by myself? Yes, Tara, you must do it all by yourself. स्टोरी दी है, उसे एडिट करना है. चलो भाई करते हैं. He took them who had been sworn, which his ancestors, which belonged, human beings से which आता ही नहीं है, who belonged. The sons asked their father how they could get the treasure, that they could only get the field where lay the treasure. The three sons dig up the field in 3 days. They were disappointed because the treasure that themselves were looking for was nowhere to be found. At night the father has quietly कुछ भी नहीं है इसमें. The father said, sons, this is the treasure that I was talking about. This land has been given to us by our ancestors. This is the land from that you can regularly dig out treasure in the form of crops. From which. तो ये थे प्रोनाउंस. कैसे लगे, हेल्पफुल रहे? नेक्स्ट कौन सी वीडियो चाहिए वो बता देना. वीडियो को थम्स अप कर लें, दोस्तों के साथ शेयर कर लेना. बाय.